Hello students, today we will do question number 3 of our exercise 4.4 chapter 4 simple equations. Now see the first part. They are saying Irfan says that he has 7 marbles. Irfan is saying that he has 7 marbles more, that means plus 7, more than 5 times the marbles Parmit has. Whatever the marbles Parmit has, let us suppose x, it's 5 times and plus 7 because more he is saying na. So that means Irfan has 5 times the marble Parmit has plus 7. So Irfan has 5 times the marbles Parmit has plus 7. More they are saying na. So that means 5x plus 7. See, Irfan says he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parmit has. So you don't know what are the marbles of Parmit. So let us suppose Parmit has x marbles. Then Irfan has more 7 marbles more than 5 times. 5 times of Parmit plus 7. That is the marbles of Irfan. Okay. Now actual value of Irfan marbles also given, that is 37. So you have to find how many marbles Parmit has. Okay. Now see, let us suppose Parmit has x marbles. We have also supposed. So write it like that. According to question, Irfan has how many marbles? 5 times of Parmit plus 7. So this is the equation of Irfan's marbles. But actual value is also given. So equate that actual value and the equation. So equate that 5x plus 7 is equals to that 37. Now you can find the value of this. This plus 7 move to the next side. 5x equals 37 minus 7. Okay, see 5x equals 30. What is the value of x? 30. Here 5 is in multiplication. Move to the next side. Okay, so it will be 6. That means x equals 6. That means Parmit has 6 marbles. Right in the last, Parmit has 6 marbles. Move to the next. Now see, Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. They are saying Lakshmi's father age, actual age is given, that is 49 years old. Now the next they are saying he is 4 years older. Older means plus, bigger. Okay, so 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Now 3 times of Lakshmi's age is given. So that means you have to firstly suppose the age of Lakshmi. That we will suppose x. Okay, x, y, z, you can suppose anything. If Lakshmi's age is x, so what are the age of his father? What is that? 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi. So 3 times Lakshmi means 3x and 4 years older means plus 4. So this is the equation of Lakshmi's father age. Okay, so what is Lakshmi age? They are asking. Okay, see, 3 times of Lakshmi. We will suppose Lakshmi's age is x. 3 times of it, that means 3x. 4 years older, older means bigger. So plus 4. Okay, so her father's age in equation form is 3x plus 4. But see, here Lakshmi's father actual age is also given. That means this equation age and this actual age, these are equals. So equate them. 3x plus 4 equals 49. Okay, now see the next part. 3x equals 49 here plus 4. Move to the next side, it will be minus 4. So the next step is 3x equal 45. Okay, now the next you can find, here 3 is in multiplication. Move to the next side, it will be that. So now you can solve this. 3 ones are 1 and 5. So the value of x is 15. That means Lakshmi age is 15 years. So you will write Lakshmi's age is 15 years. See, here you have to suppose that years. Okay, here also you will write years because this is the age. age will be in years. So you have to find Lakshmi's age only, that is 15. If they will ask, the father's age is also already given. So move to the next. See the next part, they are saying people of Sundargram planted trees in the village garden. Okay, that is the normal information given. People of Sundargram planted the trees in the village garden. Now two types of trees they have planted. Okay, some of them are fruit trees and some of them are non-fruit trees. Okay, some of them are fruit trees and some of them are non-fruit. But the number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. If you will suppose the number of fruit trees are x, okay, 3, 2 more, that means 2 plus 2 more than 3 times of number of fruit trees. What is the value of number of non-fruit trees? See, number of fruit trees, if they are x, we are supposing. So what is the value of non-fruit trees? 3 times of fruit trees, that is 3 times of x, 2 more, that means plus 2. That is the value of non-fruit trees. Okay, the number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. If fruit trees are x, so what is the value of non-fruit? 3 times of this x, 3x, and 2 more, that means plus 2. So this is the value of non-fruit. Okay, now the non-fruit trees values also given, that is exact value also given, that is 77. So that means this 3x plus 2 and that 77 we have to equate. Okay, now see, number of fruit trees x we have supposed. According to question, non-fruit trees are 3x plus 2. Okay, now see, equate this 3x plus 2 and 77. Write it here, 3x plus 2 equals 77. Okay, so solve this. Plus 2, move to the next side, it will be minus 2. Okay, so 3x equals 70. That will be 75. Okay, now see here, 3 is in multiplication, so it will be in division. So it will be 75 by 3, x value is. So that will be 1, 2, 5. Okay, so that means x value is 25. The number of fruit trees are 25 that they are asking. So the next question is, see, the next question is a riddle. Okay, in riddle form it is given, I am a number. It is saying I am a number, tell my identity. That means a number that we are letting, that is x. So we will let that number is x. Tell my identity. You have to find that value of x. Take me 7 times over. That means it's 7 times. Okay, take me, that means x. Okay, so it is saying take me 7 times over. That means it's 7 times you have to take. Now the next, and add a 50. What you have to add? That firstly take that 7 times over and then add a 50. Simply do whatever they are saying. Then add a 50. We have added. Now the next, to reach a triple century. That means in equated form, after equals they are saying to reach a triple century. Now what is triple century? That is 300. To reach a triple century, you still need 40. That means here 300 will come. But when? But 300 when will come? It needs more 40. You still need 40. That means here 40 numbers are less. From which? This 300. Okay. See, that means 300 minus 40 will come. Okay. If 40 more runs we are having, then we will reach the triple century. But they are saying to reach triple century, you still need 40. We need 40. That means if you need 10 rupees, that means you have less 10 rupees. That's why you need 10 rupees. So in the same way, it needs 40. That means 40 are less in this triple century. So this is equals to this to reach. So it is the after equals portion. Okay. So now you can solve this type of question. See, 7x plus 50, that will be 300 minus 40, that is 260. Here plus 50, move to the next side, it will be 260 minus 50, that will be 210. 7 by x, now 7 by x equal 210. So x equal 210 upon 7. Here multiplication, move to the division. So that means 30. So that number is 30. Okay, so this is the number, that is 30. See, if you let this 30, this is 30. Okay, 7 times over, that means 7 times of 30, 7 3s are 21. Okay, now and add up 50, 210, it will come 210 and add up 50. Now add 50 in this, what will come? That is 260. Here also we got na 260. So that's why this is the riddle form it is given. Okay, now you can solve this.